Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Canva app slow or lagging on iPhone speed boost tips. So first of all, you are going to close the unused app running in the background by swiping off from your phone and swiping the unused app away from your phone. After that, we are going to restart your iPhone, then clear cache or reinstall Canva if necessary. To clear cache, you guys will have to go to the settings and do it, and you can reinstall and Canva if that does not work. Safety tip: avoid installing multiple heavy apps alongside Canva to improve its performance. Quick fix: use Canva web for smoother performance if mobile app lags. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.